Hello fellow UPass users, my name is Molly and today I'm going to be showing you how to download data from your Android device onto your PC computer. Before we get started, I want to mention a few things. You want to make sure that you have already completed the process of downloading the UPass data onto the internal storage of the Android device. If you have not already done this process can be found in a separate video and is an important prerequisite for this step. Another thing to mention, in the settings of your Android device, you will want to make sure that the USB is connecting in MTP mode, or media transfer mode. This will allow you to transfer the actual files onto your PC computer. I'm going to go ahead and get started and connect my Android device to my PC using a USB cord. As you can see, my computer is recognizing the device as a G-Pad 7.0 LTE. So now that my Android is in MTP data transfer mode, I can go ahead and open up a file explorer. And over here on the left-hand side of the navigation tree, you see the G-Pad 7.0 LTE, which is the device that I'm using in this example. This may vary depending which device you are using. Within my Android device, I can see I have internal storage as well as the SD card. I'm going to select internal storage to further navigate. And now here are a series of subfolders in which you want to navigate to the download folder. And here is the UPass folder, which is where the data is stored when it is downloaded onto the Android. And this folder, I can show you how to create it in the previous video as well, but this will already be set up when you connect your Android to the PC. Within this UPass folder are all of the individual log files that have been downloaded onto the internal storage. You can see these here, and I'm going to go ahead and open one of them up so you can see what it looks like. So here is the text format data output from each individual UPass sample run. As you can see, it is a little bit difficult to read, so I'm going to show you how to put it into an easier read format. First, you want to select all of the contents in the window and copy them. I'm now going to go into a blank Excel workbook. And in cell A1 of this workbook, I'm just going to paste all of the contents from that text window. As you can see, this didn't quite fix the problem. It is still in the same format, so with this column A highlighted, you are then going to go up to the Data tab in Excel and select this Text to Columns option. This will now present you with a new prompt, which you will select Delimited and Next. And now in this second part of the prompt, you want to select comma as a delimiter. This will now separate your data into a much easier to read format. Go ahead and press Finish. As you can see, the data is now separated into column A, which holds all of your parameters, and column B, which holds all of your corresponding values, and column C, which has any units or notes that may go along with those parameters. Your UPass data is now ready to be saved and manipulated as you wish. And as always, if you have any questions or comments or having trouble with any of these processes, please don't hesitate to give us a call or shoot us an email. We're always here to help. Thanks for watching.